friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are planning for the week of April 12th through the 18th, and I'm super excited because it's PR team collaboration week. So all of Coffee Planner Mom's PR people are using the watercolor blooms kit this week. So I will try and link everyone's Instagram for sure in the description below. That way, if you want to see how everybody else uses this kit, go for it, because we all do different things and it's so fun to see. If they have a YouTube channel, not all of the PR people do, but if they do, I'll try and link their YouTube channel as well. I'll try and get as much in the description as possible. So what's really exciting for me this week with the collaboration and the kit and all that is that I really don't have a ton of things going on this week. On my little sticky note, I have like 2 things, and that's it. That's all. So that's nice. So that means I can kind of go all out. I did already white out the hours. This is an hourly layout. So I just basically changed it to a lined vertical. So super fun. So there's a couple things that like I know for sure I'm going to put down. I do it every week. So we're going to start with the meal sticker. I think we're going to do the one that has like the yellows and the pinks. That way we have both of those going on. It's kind of crazy to think that we're already in the middle of April, right? Like, we're already in the middle of April. I'm going to use this green box sticker. Sorry, I should show you guys. And I'm trying to make sure it's not too shadowy today. We have storms coming in today, so it's very overcast, but this is the time I've got to plan. Well, specifically to film plans. Ooh, let's do this. I'm going to layer this inside. Just to give it a little extra pop. All right. So I'll need my chores list. I'll need an appointment sticker. I'll need like a reminder. Important will work here. So I think we'll get those down and then we'll decorate around it. I think that's what we're gonna do. Oh, you know what? Before I do that, I want to use the day covers or the date covers. Let's get that done. All right, those are done. So let's do we need this box on Monday. It's time for that fabulous appointment about blood work. So yay, fasting blood work. So I have that Monday morning. And then let's do an important sticker. Maybe I'll do an important sticker. Come on, let go. There we go. All right. I'm going to put this down here because it'll be later in the day. This is Sharpie needs his heart guard and next guard that day. And then my chores list. I think what we're going to do to kind of like balance it out on the page, we'll use this box there. And yellow on top. And chores. So we would be in zone 3 this week. I'll go ahead and write that down to you. So my zone 3, I follow the system called the Fly Lady system, or like I make it work for me and I don't follow it exactly as she does it, but my zone 3 is the dining room and the kitchen. So that's what I work on that weekend. All right. All sticky notes accounted for? Looks like it. Oh, I went off the camera. It happened. It's okay. There we go. It's because I was putting the date covers down. I didn't look up. It happens. It's all good. All right. I want to take a look at different quotes we have here. No rain, no flowers. The earth laughs in flowers. Flower blossoms for its own joy. Your dreams bloom, life in full bloom. So many things. Okay. Okay. I think I'm going to do a flower blossoms for its own joy. But I want to see which full box it's going to look like, kind of pop in. I think it's going to be the middle one. Well, that one's not bad. I think it's going to be the middle one. So we're going to put that up here. Yay! Then I do want to put the weekend banner, but do I want to put it down here or up here? Oh wait, I have an idea. See what other ones we want to bring in. Some of the green. I think we'll start there. Yay, weekend! And then we might add a little bit more. Now, like I said, I'm trying to use only the kit a lot. I might add the to-do script somewhere, but other than that, like, the goal is to just use the kit and show you all the different things you can do with the kit, which, I mean, that's one of my favorite things to do anyway. She's got such beautiful kits. It's really all you need. All right, leave the weekend banner alone. Next thing I want to do, I'm trying to decide, do I want to put florals up in there? Or do I want to leave that for to-do list? I might leave that for to-do list. This is the hard part, is deciding what I want to do. High sharps. There it is. Here's the next question. No, I think I want to leave the pinks in there. So I think what we're going to do is we're just going to... Oh, Sharpie dog. That's fun. I love geometric patterns. I can geometric pattern all day long. All right, so what do I want to do? Because technically we should do another corner there. I think we can. Let's use this one. I like that. Now I have another idea, and I don't know how I'm going to make it happen, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what happens here. What if I did? I don't. We're gonna start here. We're gonna start here. See what happens. I need to keep checking the camera because I'm pretty sure I'm not always in focus. like I said, I don't have a ton going on this week, so I can be like super decorative and it'd be fine. Oh, no. Pick a different one. I don't think that looks too weird there. We're gonna go with it. It's gonna be fine. It's all good. It's all good. And I'm wondering if maybe we like add this guy in somewhere, just because I'm not sure I want to leave him alone, but I'm not sure he's gonna fit with the patterns. Yeah, I might have to, I'm gonna put him to the side, and if I think about it, great. If not, he'll become part of another spread and it'll be great. Oh, that's super pretty. I like the diagonally things going on there. Let's get another quote in here. In fact, let's do this long one down here. Let your dreams bloom. We do need a Towel Tuesday. I keep forgetting to do that one. Maybe we set him right here on the edge of this guy. And Trash Night. Would technically be Wednesday night. No, would be Thursday night. What's wrong with me? And then this gives me space. I still have space to put to-do lists. So I'm going to take some of these checklists here. I'm going to put them in some of the open spots. That way I have a good area to write things down. So let's do one here. Can I fit one right there? I might be able to do. There you go, one there. And we'll do the green one over here. All right, I think we are going to stop there. Like I said, these are all from Coffee Planner Mom. I'll put her website in the description below. And I still have a 15% off code, which is Holly15, but my term is up on the 15th. So if you don't use my code by the 15th, it won't be active anymore. So just so you know. So you have till then, okay, to get 15% off your entire order. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Again, check out the description for all the other PR girls so you can see how they're using this kit in their planners too. It's so pretty and I'm in love. It's great. All right, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye.